Hi kids! This is teacher Erica and welcome to our online math class. Our topic for today is about angles formed by a transversal. Please repeat after me. Angles formed by a transversal. Okay, so first, these two lines, it is called parallel lines. So when you say parallel lines, it is equidistant from each other. Okay, they are equal in distance and they never meet. Okay, so let's say we will just put the name of this line AB, line AB, and then line PQ. So the parallel lines AB and PQ. Again, this is how you're going to write the line. The symbol line AB and line PQ. So again, they are parallel lines. They never meet and the distance of one line to another line is equal, okay? Or from one point to another point on the lines. Okay, next. So this is the symbol AB is parallel to, okay, this symbol is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Okay, I'm gonna say it again slowly. Please repeat after me. AB is parallel to PQ. Or you can say line AB is parallel to line PQ. Okay, next. There's another line that crosses the parallel lines. It is called transversal line. Again, a line that crosses the parallel lines like this, it is called transversal line. So let's name the line here X, Y. So the transversal line in the picture or the picture that you can see on the screen, line XY is the transversal line. Okay, please repeat after me. Transversal line. So the example line XY. Okay? Next. So when the transversal crosses the parallel lines or cross the parallel lines, it formed angles. So angle here, another angle, 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 another one, another angle, and the other angle. Alright, so this is all about angles formed by a transversal. Okay? Now let's put a name on each angle. So let's say this one, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle, let's say E, angle F, angle G, angle H. Okay? So again, this is an example of the angles formed by a transversal. So I'm going to show you the types of the angles or the pair of angles. So the first one is the corresponding angles. Everybody please say corresponding angles. Again, corresponding angles. The example of corresponding angles is angle 1 and angle 5 here. Okay, so in this example, the name of the angle is by number. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so as you can see, the same color blue, angle 1 and angle 5. So this is an example of corresponding angles. The next pair, and by the way, they are equal, which means they are equal in measure. Let's say this angle is 60 degrees. So this is also 60 degrees. Corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Alright? Another example of the corresponding angles. Can you see? Another pair of corresponding angles. Alright, so it's angle 3 and angle 6. So as you can see, the one angle is inside the two the parallel lines, and the other one is the outside of the parallel lines. So angle 3 and angle 6, same color red. And the next one is another pair, another corresponding angles, angle 4, the green one, and angle 7. Alright, so again, they are equal, okay, in measure. So let's say this one is let's say 100 degrees, and this one is also 100 degrees. Okay, and there's another one in corresponding angles. It's angle 2 and angle 8. Okay, angle 2 and angle 8. So this is the example of corresponding angles. Next, another type of angles formed by a transversal or a pair of angles is alternate angles. Please repeat after me. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. So the example of alternate angles is angle 4 and angle 6. So one angle is on one side and the other angle is on the other side, or on the opposite side. So angle 4 here, the color pink, and angle 6 on the opposite side. So this is the alternate angle. So this is why it's called alternate, because it's on the different sides. Next, can you see the other one? Of course, this one and this one. So angle 3 and angle 5. And alternate angles, they are equal in measure. So for example, angle 4 is 30 degrees. So the angle 6 is also 40 or 30 degrees. Again, if the angle 4 is 30 degrees, the angle 6 is also 30 degrees. So the same with angle 3 and angle 5, because they are alternate angles. Next is the interior angles. So when you say interior angles, it's just an adjacent angles, or the angles that are on the same side. So example, the angle C and the angle F. They are on the same side. Okay? So when you add them, okay, it will give you 180 degrees. So in this example, angle C is 118 degrees and angle F is 62 degrees. So when you add them, 118 degrees plus 62 degrees, so it is equal to 108 degrees. Alright, so another example of interior angles is angle D and angle E. So D plus E, angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so that is an example of interior angles. Please say it. Please repeat after me. Interior angles. Next, exterior angles. Exterior angles. If the interior angles is the angles that are inside the parallel lines, the exterior is the opposite. So you can find them outside the parallel lines. So example, angle A and angle H, this color. So again, it's on the same side. So angle A, example 118 degrees plus 62 degrees, the angle H. So it will give you 180 degrees. The same on the interior angles. But this time, the angles are on the outside of the parallel lines. So another example, angle B and angle G. Okay? So again, the sum of the two angles is 180 degrees, or the sum of the interior and exterior angles, the same that is 180 degrees. Alright, so these are the types of the angles formed, or the pair of angles formed by a transversal. So thank you for watching, kids. If you need to review, just replay this video. Okay? See you soon. Goodbye.